Day 2 of 30. Yesterday you learned that 50 hormones run your body. But 5 of them are the master controllers. They decide your mood, your metabolism, your strength, your energy, and even how fast you age. Today you meet each one, and you'll find out which one is causing your problems. 5 master hormones. Testosterone, your drive and strength. Cortisol, your stress response. Thyroid, your metabolism speed. Insulin, your fuel storage. Estrogen, your repair and protection. Together they form a communication network. When one is off, the whole system suffers. Here's the problem. Studies show that 87% of adults have at least one hormonal imbalance they don't know about. Low testosterone causes fatigue and belly fat. High cortisol destroys your sleep and muscle. Slow thyroid makes you gain weight on 1200 calories. Insulin resistance locks fat in place. And low estrogen in men increases heart attack risk by 30%. You don't need to be sick to have broken hormones. Let's look at the data. A 2025 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology tracked 15,000 people and found that those with just one optimized hormone, thyroid, had 34% higher resting metabolic rate. Another 2024 review in Nature showed that optimizing both testosterone and cortisol together reduced visceral fat by 18% in 12 weeks, without any calorie restriction. The hormones aren't separate. They talk to each other. Fixing one helps the others. Think of your hormones as a group chat. Testosterone sends, "Let's go build muscle." Cortisol replies, "Too stressful, cancel." Thyroid chimes in, doing that at 50% speed. Insulin says, "Store everything, just in case." Estrogen tries to mediate. When everyone's talking at once, nothing gets done. And you're left feeling like your phone battery is at 10% all day long. Here's how to spot which hormone is your problem. If you have low energy, stubborn belly fat, and feel weak, check testosterone. If you can't sleep, crave salt, and feel wired but exhausted, check cortisol. If you're cold all the time, losing hair, and gaining weight without eating more, check thyroid. If you get afternoon crashes, crave sugar, and store fat around the waist, check insulin. 3 simple lifestyle changes covered yesterday: morning sunlight, healthy fats, no late eating. Fix all 5 of these master hormones to some degree. Today you met the 5 master hormones. Testosterone controls drive and strength. Cortisol manages stress. Thyroid sets your metabolism. Insulin stores fuel. Estrogen protects and repairs. Tomorrow we'll look at the invisible enemy, endocrine disruptors hiding in your food, water, and home. This has been Info Vital. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to meet their hormones. See you tomorrow on day 3.